We create an anterolateral and anteromedial portal on the disinfected and cross-covered left knee. The UHMWPE tape is applied to the posterior root of the medial meniscus with a fast pass, while opening the medial joint gap by turning the left knee outward. Next, MOWHGO is deployed. After separating the gracis tendon and the semitendinosus tendon, the tibia is dissected posteriorly between the MCL and the capsule, and the dissection between the shallow and deep layers of the MCL is performed after this procedure. If it is found difficult to apply the UHMWPE tape to the posterior root of the medial meniscus as it opens the medial joint crease, osteotomy is performed with a horizontal osteotomy 45 mm distal to the articular surface and biplane cut 15 mm dorsal to the tibial ridge. The MCL is returned to this anatomic position, after which the complete coverage of the osteotomy is performed. AC plate is applied to the anterior medial aspect of the left knee and secured with a locking screw. A far anteromedial portal is created when digging the bone tunnel for the MMPLT pull-out repair. The far anteromedial portal is created 2 cm medial to the anterior medial portal. A 55 degrees MMPLT guide is inserted into the left knee joint through the far anteromedial portal, aimed at the anatomic attachment site of the posterior root of the medial meniscus. The billet is placed on the anterior aspect of the tibia at the same level as that of the D-hole of the locking plate, dorsal to the plate. A guide pin is inserted through the billet on the anterior aspect of the tibia, and the pin is advanced until it is slightly raising the joint under the guidance of an indirect mirror. The bone tunnel is drilled with a 6 mm drill. The 3D model of the left tibia depicts the positional relationship among the locking plate, screw, and bone tunnel. The locking screw is oriented from the anteromedial to the posterolateral direction and doesn't interfere with the bone tunnel. The suture shuttle with shear, straight crescent is inserted through the anterior tibial bone tunnel, and the metal wire is fed into the joint. A grasper is used to grasp the loop of the wire and pull it out of the portal. During this time, the UHMWPE tape is pulled out of the joint through the same portal as the wire. The UHMWPE tape is then passed through the loop and the wire is pulled out of the anterior surface of the tibia, allowing the UHMWPE tape to pass into the bone tunnel. The UHMWPE using Milagro is used to secure while being pulled with a force of 30 Newton.